What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Drop Lows here once again. This video number 3 on this Rm85 Wheelie school. And I'm teaching myself. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm teaching myself. But hey, I'm getting somewhere and I'm gonna tell y'all in to exactly.
You ever seen a chopper do some damage, niggas stepping? I ain't got a station why I tell them you must be out of your mind.
Look, my man walking the scooter, goddamn. Look at him on the scooter.
I'm still the king.
Toting that bitch.
East side to the world, I'm in that wind.
Alright, so what I'm about to do now is I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna ride for a little bit. I'm gonna record a riding session, and I want y'all to basically go back and look at video number 2 and video number 1 and see the slight progression. I'm not saying I just went crazy and became oh so great in like 3 days, but watch the slight progression and watch what's happening and exactly what I'm doing. Now, if this is your first time ever trying to wheelie a dirt bike like me, I've rode dirt bikes all my life, but I've always been a land rider. I was all meant for speed. I run through your gears like crazy, but I never tried wheelies. The main thing when learning these wheelies is your rear brake. If you don't cover your rear brake, expect to be seeing yourself on your ass. Like even in video 1 and video 2, I've looped this bike twice already because I slipped the clutch, wasn't covering the foot brake. Like, you gotta cover that rear brake, and don't go skimping out trying to go get hand brakes and whatnot immediately. Like, learn the foot brake. It's part of doing this wheelie thing. The other most important part of doing these wheelies is gonna be your seat time. If you're not sitting out here on this bike like me, I don't know what I'm doing, but I made it a pact. Like, every day I'm off, every day I got time, handle what I need to, get out here, go put a little work in the yard on the bike, try and progress and get a little better. So y'all actually look at how I'm riding as of day 3 and see the slight progression is to what I done picked up. Y'all seen that one right there. I had just hit the rear brake in order to bring the bike down. Because I definitely would have been on my tail back there. But that's part of that rear brake training. You hear it 1,001 times. That's part of that rear brake training. If not, bike would have just been on the floor. As you see, I got a couple saves in there. Like, it was all with that rear brake. If you're not focusing and hitting that rear brake and taking the time to learn that rear brake, all them clutch ups and clutch downs, one, that's helping me learn how to pop the clutch, because I don't know how to pop the clutch worth nothing. And two, it's what was drilling in my head. Up, rear brake, up, rear brake, up, rear brake. Like 2-3 of them wheelies y'all seen in today's video, I could have easily looped the bike if I did not have my foot covering that brake or ready to hit that brake. Now, as far as me moving, I ain't getting there. I done ringed it in the band a couple times. No, that's not what I'm supposed to do. So a lot of the boggage that you hear on the bike, understand, because I'm not out here trying to ring power band and go to power band. I want these slow putt wheelies in first gear. Like, I got a nice little incline, and I've been tearing it up. It's not too even, but I also want to be able to bring the little wheelie from the back all the way up to the front, slowly, not in speeding. Beep, 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 beep. With all that being said, though, make sure y'all give episode 3, today's video, a thumbs up. Comment any tips, suggestions, any North Carolina local people, hit me up. I don't mind riding to get out and go ride. And if you not subscribed, go subscribe to the channel. Help me continue growing. Stay tuned, because the dirt bike ain't the only thing I'm working on. The Roadmaster coming next. The Honda been getting worked on. It's got its whole playlist going. And I still got a little 150cc scooter right here. So I'm getting down with this Drop Loads Motorsports. You gotta subscribe, stay tuned, and just realize it's about to go down, man. So yeah, subscribe, stay tuned, hit your notification bell, keep it turned on. These Rm85 Wheelie schools, they gonna be coming back to back to back to back to back. I'm gonna keep them coming. The whole time I continue progressing, you're gonna see these Rm85 Wheelie schools. You gonna know that's Drop Loads Motorsports who started that and show how he went from trash to some kind of class on an Rm85. Peep it.